Go get it, Scotty. Get it. He's struggling. Whoa. Go get him.
Go around me.
Yeah. I'm right against the sun. I gotta get on the other side of you guys.
Yeah, you gotta get over there. You know, you can use the zoom on that too. If you get far away. Come on, Scotty.
You can do it. You can do it. Get him.
The heck with that.
At least he knows to go. Oh my goodness. Go get him. Go get him. What's out there? Go get him.
Come on, Scotty.
Go get Grandpa. Go with Grandpa.
See if I can coax him over in the group.
Okay.
Scotty, come on. Come on, boy. Come on, Scotty.
Scotty, go with Papa.
Hey, Scotty.
Oh, he went.
Come on.
Go.
Come on, Scotty. Come on. Come on, Scotty. Come on, boy. Yeah, poor old puppy. Yeah, poor old puppy. This is a lot of work for you, isn't it? Oh, his fur's getting caked.
Is he?
Yeah.
He's gonna turn into a little snowman.
Yeah.
You wanna go?
Is you filming it?
Yeah. Yeah, I just can't see with the sun now. Can't see. Come on. Come on. We'll go back home. Okay.
Come on, boy. Scotty.
He's following the trail.
Scotty. Come on.
Good Papa.
Come on. Come on. Where'd you go over there?
He's like,
Come on. Come on.
he's like, he's figuring.
He's looking for my trail.
Yeah, he's figuring it out.
Come on.
Go get Papa. Go get him. Go get him. Here he comes. Go get him.
Come on, boy. Oh, we found the shallow.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. See my shadow. He's staying on the trail.
Yeah, he's smartening up a little. He wants to. Over here.
Go out there and play with him.